got a Mad River canoe. It's got a Kevlar bottom for $500. And the number they can reach me at is 608-377-2601.
601. I think I've got you covered there. It'd be good.
Yeah.
All right, we got the apartment-sized washer and dryer. They are separate units, and the dryer runs in 110. 6 oak chairs for consideration, and a Mad River canoe. Melrose, 608-377-2601. 608-377-2601.
All right, we've got that moving sale, 315 East Washington Street. That's down the street from Hardee's. It's happening tomorrow, 8 until 5, Saturday, 8 until 3. Lots of items, including that wine fridge, yard decor, bedding, 10-foot free lit, and 8-foot Christmas trees, a low-profile exercise bike, treadmill, 3-piece outdoor bistro set, an indoor 5-piece pub table set, electric fireplaces, so much more. 315 East Washington Street, down the street from Hardee's here in Black River Falls. Starts at 8 o'clock tomorrow. Before, after, or during the game, stop into Hunter's Last Chance Bar and Grill in West Salem. Hunter's Last Chance, located on South Leonard Street, is a family-friendly grill offering a $12 eat-in pizza special daily. Stop at Hunter's Last Chance Bar and Grill in West Salem today.
Trophy Adventures, located off County Road C, 20 miles west of Black River Falls, specializes in bear bait, but they have so much more. Trophy Adventures is the #1 Rambo electric bike dealer in the country. Prices and inventory that can't be beat. All for a test